Hello everyone, my name is Agnesa and I'm going to present a research paper titled Students' Level of Satisfaction with Online Learning, a comparative analysis between the University of Southeast Europe and the University of Applied Sciences in Soest, Germany, co-authored by myself and Mrs. Teuta Veseli KURTISHI. This study explores how various factors influence student satisfaction in online learning environments. This research paper contains introduction, literature review, research methodology, results and discussions, conclusions, and recommendations. In the area of distance learning, universities have begun to follow the path of digital platforms to provide better opportunities for students to improve higher education. As a result, assessing the level of student satisfaction with online learning becomes an important consideration. The objective of this study is to investigate and compare factors that contribute to student satisfaction in online learning at the University of Southeast Europe in North Macedonia and the University of Applied Sciences in Soest. By analyzing the experiences of students at these two institutions, we aim to identify similarities, differences, and opportunities for improvement in distance learning practices. The comparative analysis will focus on key aspects of student satisfaction, such as the quality of course content, the interaction between the professor and students, the technological environment, and other services provided by the universities. By evaluating these factors, we aim to gain knowledge about the strengths and weaknesses of the online learning environment at the two institutions mentioned in the research. Satisfaction in the context of higher education students refers to the overall level of satisfaction, fulfillment, and positive experience students have with their educational institution and their academic journey. It reflects how well the institution meets the expectations, needs, and goals of students and whether students feel supported, engaged, and valued. Now, many studies have been examined regarding the different factors that influence this relationship. If the technology is sufficient and easy to use in online learning, if students are familiar with the technology used in their courses and with reliable equipment, then they will be more successful. Technical difficulties can lead to frustration and reduced satisfaction. A very important factor that affects this relationship, as we will mention below, is the influence of the teacher. The quality of the instructor is an essential factor in influencing the satisfaction of students with online learning. It includes the professional's recognition of the students' educational needs, their abilities, and their ability to meet the various demands of the learner. The level of communication and interactivity in online learning platforms has a significant impact on student satisfaction. The opportunity to discuss with colleagues and teachers, the use of video conferencing, discussion forums, chat rooms, and collaborative activities contribute to creating a sense of community. Of course, the expectations of the students are no less important factors. Student satisfaction is defined as the ability of students to compare the desired benefit with the observed effect of a given product or service. Students whose grade expectations are high will show higher satisfaction than those who face lower grade expectations. By understanding and addressing these factors, institutions can work toward creating an environment that promotes student satisfaction, fosters long-term loyalty, and enhances the overall student experience. This study employed a quantitative research design utilizing a structured questionnaire to gather data on student satisfaction. The questionnaire, designed in English, was distributed to students from both CEU and the University of Applied Sciences Soest. The sample size included 208 students, which was considered suitable for the realization of this research. The questionnaire is structured in 6 parts, and for each part, 4 articles were presented. All items were rated using a 5-point Likert scale, measuring the degree to which students disagreed from 1 to 5 strongly agree with a statement. For data analysis, we use the SPSS program, applying several important statistical techniques such as reliability statistics, validity analysis PCA, and independent samples t-test. Our study was guided by 4 primary hypotheses. Hypothesis 1. The University of Applied Sciences in Soest, Germany, uses online learning platforms that significantly contribute to greater student satisfaction compared to the University of Southeast Europe. Hypothesis 2. The quality of instructors at the University of Southeast Europe contributes significantly to higher levels of student satisfaction compared to the University of Applied Sciences in Soest, Germany. Hypothesis 3. There is a significant difference in the ways or frequency of students' interaction in the two universities, affecting student satisfaction differently. Hypothesis 4. The University of Applied Sciences in Soest, Germany, better matches students' expectations, resulting in higher student satisfaction compared to the University of Southeast Europe. Using independent samples t-test that compare two groups, in this case the two universities, in different variables, the results show that there are significant differences between the groups of Southeast European University and the University of Applied Sciences in Soest in the use of online platforms and in the quality of instructors, such as Hypothesis 1 and Hypothesis 2 are approved with p-values less than 0.05. There is no statistically significant difference between the average of the CEU and South Westphalia groups for the interaction of students in achieving their satisfaction. The p-value of 0.875 indicates that any observed difference between groups is likely due to random variation rather than a true difference in mean. Therefore, hypothesis 3 is rejected. While there is a difference, it is not statistically significant at the conventional significance level of 0.05. The p-value of 0.091 suggests that there is a chance that the observed variation is due to random variation. Therefore, this hypothesis, hypothesis 4, is also rejected. Based on these findings, we see that the t-test results show that the mean satisfaction score for Soest's platform was 4.18, significantly higher than Southeast European University's score of 3.85. For instructor quality, CU scored higher with a mean of 4.17 compared to Southwest Westphalia University's 3.69, highlighting the strengths of each institution. In conclusion, while the University of Applied Sciences in Soest excels in platform usability, CEU shines in instructor quality. Both institutions have strengths, but CEU can improve in student interaction and faculty training. Based on these findings, we recommend several strategies. For CEU, enhancing faculty training and improving student engagement methods are crucial. For South Westphalia University, we recommend to continue refining the online platforms and gathering ongoing feedback from students to ensure continuous improvement in student satisfaction. And for both universities, both of them should collect ongoing feedback from students to continuously improve. Thank you.